pressure. All right, geniuses, for this word of the week, there are actually two definitions. And so for the first definition, I will go ahead and do a demonstration for you, and the second one, I will talk about it. So let's get started. First definition is a continuous physical force exerted on or against an object. So we'll go ahead right now and show you a demonstration on this type of pressure. So for this demonstration that I'm about to do, you can try this at home, but you will definitely need your life coach for this one. So what you will need is a glass bottle with a small opening at the top, and a hard-boiled egg, a lighter, and some paper. So what I am going to show you is that there is air in this bottle, okay? And when I place the hard-boiled egg on top, it doesn't slide right in. Why? Because the air inside the bottle is holding the hard-boiled egg up. But let's go ahead and light this paper on fire and drop it in there, and then let's put the egg on top to see what happens. Okay, ready? I can already see that the egg is slowly going down. And why is this happening? Because when the warm air expands in here, the cool air contracts. That's what's gonna make the egg drop. It's about to drop soon. All right, there you go. Usually it will just drop right in, but I was really afraid to light the paper on fire even more. All right, so I hope you geniuses enjoyed this demonstration. And if you give this activity a try, please tag me. All right, the other definition of pressure is the use of persuasion or influence. And so I'm pretty sure a lot of you geniuses have experienced some sort of peer pressure, whether that's, oh, well, everybody else is doing it, so why don't you just do it too? Or, well, you're not cool if you don't do it. And then you decide to give in and do it because you want to be cool. You know, just because everyone else is doing something does not mean you're not cool or you have to do it. Honestly, when you stick out and you stand your ground and you stand firm in what you believe in and what is right, that is where you have the ultimate power, because you are the most unique, individual, independent leader, and you need to keep that. And you know, you might have the power to persuade or influence somebody else to think an alternative way and decide, okay, well, even though they said this, this, and this, and I'm standing my ground and I'm saying this, then that opens the door for them to listen to you, for them to hear you. And you might be the one that's cool, and everybody else might want to listen to you and do the right thing. So geniuses, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it served you well. Now it's your turn to drop a comment below and let me know a time when you've experienced pressure and what was the outcome. I greatly appreciate you for watching. I love you and keep it genius. Bye-bye.